Well, hello and welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop. Today we got a little fun build. Got some lumber, even got a hamper. Stay tuned, let's see what we're doing. Well, tell me if this ever happened to y'all. Your wife comes up to you and asks you if you want to go to the big box store just to look around. Well, of course you're going to say, yeah. I mean, I told her I need some things from the store anyway, so yeah, let's go. And she said, no, we're not going to buy nothing. We're just going to look around. Okay, sure, I still want to go anyway. It's the store, you know, the lumber yard. So we get there, we start looking at some things. She puts this in a basket. Okay, laundry hamper. Yeah, I guess we need one, so yeah, I can see that. But then we're going down to the part where you buy the boards at your lumber. She puts in about 3 or 4 different edge glued boards here. Now look, guys, sweetheart, I thought we wasn't going to buy nothing. Said, yeah, I know, but I figured you can do something with this. And she left it at that. Thought I could do something with this. I think I just got suckered into a project. Alright, well, let's see what we can do with it. Okay, what I've done is I made some plans in PDF form. In these plans, you got your part list, you got your cut list, and you even have directions on how to put this laundry hamper together. Now, you can find these plans on my website at Shane'sHobbyShop.com. Look in the free plan section, and it'll be there for free to download. Alright, so just give me a couple days. I have these up on the website, but they will be there. Now, my wife bought edge glued board. Now, I know not everybody has access to that type of wood, so these plans here actually calls for dimension lumber and also plywood. So, very simple to follow along with here, but what I'm going to have to do, since I got edge glued, I won't be following these plans. I got total separate different plans. And my first step is going to be taking the lumber, I'm going to be cross-cutting and also ripping to my final dimensions. And then that's where you can pick up on your plans with your dimension lumber. Alright, so let's get busy. Okay, where we're at now, we've got the rails for both the sides and the front panels already cut to width and length. Actually, I got everything cut to width and length, but these I'm just holding are the rails, which the rails are the top and the bottom portion of your panels. Now then, I need to actually do a profile on the ends of these rails. And what I got here, I'm going to be using my router table. This is actually from Infinity Tools. Very good router bits here. This is a panel door kit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up. I also have a little coping sled here that's going to help me do the rails. So I'll set this up on my router table. I'm going to go ahead and cut all, let's see, 6 of these ends for these rails, and then we'll get on to the inside, which will be the same for the rail and the stiles. Alright, so let's get busy on that. Okay, what I've done so far is the ends of the rails. I don't know if you can really see that all that good. That's just a little profile I put on the rails. Now I went ahead and changed my bit on my router table, and now still got the rails, and I also got the stiles. What I'm going to do now is put a profile on the inside, which is going to be the opposite of this. And I also got a special jig I'll be using for that too. My little push block from the gripper. Alright, so I went ahead and got it all set up. So let's go ahead and run all of these through the router. Alright, let's get busy. Okay, we got the rails and we got the stiles already routed out on both ends. Now we're going to tend to the panels. Now then, the panel bit is actually a very large bit. So when you put it on your router table, you will need to do not only a slower speed, but take multiple passes. Don't do it all in one pass like you would the smaller bits. Okay, so you got the panel here, got the other two right here. You're going to want to do the end grains first, and then go back and do the side grain. Do them all one at a time. Like I said, little bit at a time. Raise the bit up. Do them again, ends and the sides. Raise the bit up, do ends and the sides. And then keep one of your rails or your stiles handy. That way you can test it and make sure it fits right. When it does, you're done. Alright, let's get busy. Now then, we got the panels, rails, and the stiles done. Like I said, you always want to keep a piece on the side so you can double check, make sure it fits real nicely. It slides real nicely, and there's nothing to catch on it. Because you're going to have expansion, contraction in this wood, and you don't want it to rub against each other. Alright, so yeah, there it is. Nicely done. So now my next step is I'm going to sand all of this down, then we're going to glue it up. Alright, let's go. Okay, what we got here, we got a stiles, and we got our rails, and we got our panel already routed around. They've been sanded down. Now let's go ahead and put them together. Alright, all I'm going to be using is wood glue. Alright, so let's go ahead and get that started. Okay, here we go. What you should have is a large front panel and then two side smaller panels. No, we don't have a back panel. That is going to be done by something totally different. Now what we need to think about now is how we're going to be joining these together. I'm going to use pocket screws. So what I'm going to do is flip the top over. The sides I'm going to screw into the top. Going to line it up on the back, flush, and then screw them down. Also, I'm going to be using wood glue on it. be doing this other side also. Also, while you're at this, go ahead and put the bottom in. Alright, so that's also going to be pocket screwed from the bottom side. Alright, so let's do that. Okay, this is where you have so far. This is the actual back side. That's the inside front. You should have had your both sides on and your bottom. Next up, we're going to go ahead and put the trim piece down to the bottom here and put the brace piece up on top here. Also pocket screw those in. And then we got to put a lid on. So let's get busy. Okay, we come down to the last bit of steps. Went ahead, got the bottom piece on, even put the top piece on. I left the pocket screws on the outside of here because this is the top. You're going to see on the inside, not this. So pocket screws here, everything else is underneath. Alright, so those are done. One more step to do, and that is the top. This has been rough cutted, but we still need to cut it to length and width. What I'm going to do is have it flush up against the back. I want a little hangover on each side and in the front. Would basically almost look good already. But yeah, I'm going to do that. Cut that to width and length. Then I'm going to round over the three edges, both sides and the front side, not the back. I'm going to leave that nice and square. And then I'm going to put a piano hinge up here. That way it'll lift like this. Hope y'all can see that on camera. Alright, so I'll get that done on camera, but then off camera, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a wood conditioner on here. And the reason why, this is pine. It will blotch big time for my next step. So I'm going to put wood conditioner on here, then I'm going to stain it. That's right, it's going to be my first staining project to do. So I'm going to stain it, then I'm going to seal it. But I won't show you none of that on the video because first one. So yeah, but I'll come back and show you the finished product. Alright, but for now, let's go ahead and do the top. Okay, here we go, finished product. Went ahead, got the lid up on it. Everything is stained. It's got a cherry stain on it, and got me a nice shellac top finish on it. Like I said, it's all put together with pocket screws and glue. On the back side, if I can turn it here. Okay, how I got the lid secured is a piano hinge that goes all the way across. The brace here, the brace on the bottom, and this basket here I made tall enough to where if need to, you could pull the basket out the back. You shouldn't have to, but you never know. I left it all open for that reason, and plus this is laundry. You don't want it to be totally enclosed because it starts stinking, so left it open for ventilation. But it is done. Put it on wheels if you want to. I'm not. I'm going to leave it like it is. And yeah, there we go. It's going to be going into the bathroom. Alright, this is kind of a top view of the laundry bath. You just open it up. Laundry hamper's right inside there. It is shorter than the top here. That's in case if you overfill your laundry, you don't have to worry about it's not going to be able to close. Okay? Now, the only thing I'm going to do on here now is I'm going to put some felt around here. Maybe just some tabs or something. That way when you close it, you won't hear that noise. But yeah, that's it. Alright, so there you go. The laundry hamper. Alright, now if you like this video, please show your support by giving me those thumbs up. And go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this, alright? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Oh, my name's Shane. Can't see it, but this is Shane's Hobby Shop. We'll see you next time.